Hello and welcome to the iPhone Destruction 100 subscriber special of my YouTube channel. I have been hyping this up for almost a year now, ever since I started the Destruction series on my YouTube channel. And today is a very special day because the iPhone 12 has been fully released and is open to everyone for purchase. And I also figured that I should put the video out today because iPhone is going to be very popular on YouTube, and I want to be able to take a look at the internals of the iPhone 4S, which is the phone that we're going to be destroying today, just to see how much it has changed over the years. And if you want to stay, we actually did shoot it. The thumbnail was not clickbait. We have shot the iPhone. My brother was in it. He's the one that shot it, so shout out to him. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. And if you do like the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get right into it.